Okay, Jamie, we're just going to look at the Ferrari again. So let's just come down here. Ferrari, California. So I've checked all three, so we'll just pick this one. So if we scroll down the systems we've got the parking brake there. So if we click on there, now I can again do a demo diagnosis. Okay, so just on the settings, so you can see we've got cable arrangement, the four I went through, so the parking brake calibration there, click down to the question mark, and we've got some information there. So if we click on there, I've printed these out, or I'll email them across to you, but you can see you've got the procedure there for replacing the internal parts. And then you can see we've got the adjustments using the diagnostic tool, and just tells you exactly what to do there. Okay. Live data wise, yeah, so again we've got all that information there, so you can see that. Right, what we'll do, we'll just come out of there, we'll go in and look at the the Quattroporte, the 4.7 that we looked at. So these are all the M139, so we've got all these systems available as long as they're fitted to the vehicle, obviously. Then we've got all of these systems that we can talk to. Okay, I don't have a demo mode here, but what I'll do, if we go up to the adjustments and coding, so again these are all the things that we can do. I'll just scroll down slowly and click on each one. Again, we've got parking brake calibration for those. Clutch configuration, clutch replacement, reset self-adapting parameters, so yeah, that will take it through the procedure. Tyres in there as well. Yep, so there's quite a few bits and pieces in there. Test wise, activation wise, again same thing, we can sort of go through all of these, but like we said, it's more about the programming itself, but still the tests are still very useful to have. So again, we've got the ability to turn it on and off, and so on. So there's quite a lot there. Vehicle maintenance wise, obviously standard resets in there, bleeds and so on. So again, all of these tests you're going to be able to do. We've also got wiring diagrams for this as well on the ABS, aircon, airbag and nav. Technical data, we've got some information there on the airbag systems, which this sort of technical data sheet is quite common, and just gives you a bit of additional information that maybe a bit of Googling can't find. Okay. Now the other thing I will do, if I take you back to the standard passenger car, so I'll just scroll down again, A to Z list of absolutely everything. So you can see we've got the Acura for the States, all the European, the old Bedfords from the UK, Brilliance, BYD, they're all Chinese makes, Shangan, same again. Again, all the European, we've got the Dodge, FAW Chinese trucks, they're there. GMC, Great Wall, Holden from Australia. Again, a lot of Chinese ones in there, Koreans, so all the Kias and Hyundais. But then we've got the States, we've got Lincolns, Indian, Mahindra, Maybach, just in case there are any on the island. Mercury's, again, Renault Samsung, that's a Korean domestic model. Saturn's, Tata, and everything you'd sort of expect to see. So just to show you quickly on the, I know you mentioned BMW i8, so again we've got every possible series there, but if we go down to I, then we've got the i3 and the i8 there. So if we click through there, that's just telling you it's a hybrid electric vehicle, be wary. So it just gives you a bit of cautionary information. And again, these are all the systems that we can look at. Okay, and adjustments in coding, again we can see here there's a lot of control unit resets we can do. Sunroof, again, driver assistance systems, like I said, all the ADAS bits and pieces, camera calibrations and so on. There you go. So there's quite a few in there. Range extender shutdown. Yeah, so I could go on, and obviously, like I said, you've still got all that technical data and checks from Autodata, so the mechanical, the wheel alignment, repair times, for example. That's all in there as well, so that would be quite useful for you, as well as service illustrations, as you'd expect to see these sorts of pictures to assist, and also checks and schedule maintenance. So within it we've got the ability to create service sheets, and depending on the service, so for example the main service, we can click on there, and again we produce an electronic sheet which we can sort of tick, save, print, whatever you need to do, give to the customer. And again, if you're doing any other checks, again depending on the car obviously in the list, then we'll have the mileage schedules on there as well. So yeah, there you go. Okay.